Hello, this is AMIR. Today we are going to talk about Git branching workflow. I will go through it step by step and help you understand the process. So let's get started. The very first thing you should do is to make sure you are in the master branch. That way your new branch would be updated with all the latest changes in the master branch. And in order to do that, we need to run the command git checkout master. Then run the command git status to make sure there is nothing to commit. Now it's time to create a new branch. To do so, we have two ways. The first one is to create a branch and then go to it. Git branch new branch and then go to it with git checkout new branch. The second way, which is my favorite way, is to combine the two mentioned commands, and we can achieve it by running this command git checkout b new feature. The B flag is telling Git to create a new branch and then go to it. I'd like to add a side note about branch names. When you are working on a big project, sometimes it gets hard to track why a certain branch was created in the first place. I personally like to prefix the branches and give them a descriptive name. For example, if we are adding a new feature for orders, I would name it feature add details to order. Or if there is an issue, I would name it issue with the sort order. Okay, as the fourth step, it's time to do whatever you need to do. After you committed all your changes, it's time to go back and start the merging process. And to do that, you need to go to master branch first. So run the command git checkout master. And now you can merge your branch with the master branch by running this command git merge branch name. After this step, there might be some merge conflicts. If there are, then fix those and then run this command again. The last step is not necessary, but it's always a good idea to clean up afterwards. In order to delete the branch that you've already merged, run git branch d branch name. The D flag means delete the branch. If you have not merged it already, then Git will show you a message saying that you haven't merged it yet. It's not possible to delete it. Sometimes you really don't want to merge it and you want to delete the branch. In that case, you have to force delete the branch. You can do it by capitalizing the D flag, and your command would be like this: git branch capital D branch name, and you're done. Just a quick recap. We talked about 7-step Git branching workflow to add a new feature or work on an issue. The steps were git checkout master, git status, git checkout b branch name to create a new branch, code and commit, git checkout master to go back to the master branch, git merge the branch, git branch d to delete the branch. And finally, if you like what you learned, please like and subscribe. That would be a great motivation to do more videos. If you have any suggestions or questions, please leave a comment below, and I try to answer them as soon as possible. That's it. Have a wonderful day.